Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm just as glad that I am here. I haven't painted in over a week, and a few people reached out wondering where I was, but Rick and I jumped on a big old boat and headed out into the big old sea. We we drove down to Miami, which is only a couple of hours from us, and hung out for the day in South Beach, walked around, had a nice lunch, and then went over to the pier and got on a boat and headed out to sea. It was wonderful. Went to a little island called Bimini, which had a nice resort there that we hung out in. Went to Key West, back out to sea, and then home again. And happy to be home, but had a wonderful time. I've never seen such blue water as there was in Bimini, and we will probably go back to do some snorkeling and exploring at another time. So I'm happy to be back here. I'm kind of exhausted, but this is a good place to get me into La La Land. I'm going to be doing a landscape swipe and flip cup, and I'm going to do it in really neutral colors. I thought about doing it in the beautiful blues that I saw while we were on holiday, but I'm just thinking about some beautiful calm neutrals. Our sky. Let's talk about our sky. Our sky base coat is right here in this cup. It looks white, but it's not. And our base coat is a little bit thinner than our pour paints. I just like a slick surface for our paints to kind of glide across a little bit easier. That is a combination of Artist Loft Soft Body and the white, because I have so much of this and I'm trying to use it up. And I put into it golden fluids in the titanium buff, and it made a lovely creamy hue for our other colors to flow across. Our sky colors are right. Did I mix this up? No, I've got it right. Oh, right here. This is going to be our sky. Once again, very neutral palette using one of my favorite paints, which is right there. That's Amsterdam, and that is their tin or their pewter. I love this paint. I love the colors. It's got a silvery kind of hue to it and some pearlescence, and I'm just crazy about it. Right there is Deco Art Neutral Beige in the satin enamels, which should give us some nice effects. And right here is Deco Art Satin Enamel in the pure white. So very neutral sky. Our sky, we're going to be doing a flip cup on this yummy base coat right here. And then our land. My plan is to embellish this once it dries. My friend Amy McKeon from Amy McKeon Art was wonderful enough to come down here from Knoxville and hang out with our Lido dog, and she took such good care of him. I swear he cried when she left today. But she brought me these beautiful textured ribbon, and I am going to incorporate it into this painting once the painting is dry, so stay tuned for that. Right here, beautiful shade of brown. That is Amsterdam, and that is its Van Dyke brown. Right here for funsies is Vallejo in the pearl medium. And then right here for pure lusciousness, we have golden fluids in the iridescent bronze fine. So some yummy colors that I am truly excited about, and I can't wait to put my tunes on, get into the zone, and do a beautiful landscape painting for you. I'm probably going to tape off my sky just to kind of keep me honest. What else? Oh, events, guys, coming up. Come paint with me. There's so many wonderful things happening. We have the Fluid Art Experience May 23rd, 24th, and 25th, just a few weeks away in the lovely, lovely Asheville. This girl lived there for many years, and it's my go-to destination for crisp air and a view of the mountains. And then darling Canella is coming down here to Fort Myers, and we're having fluid art with friends in Fort Myers in July. Then we have Dallas for the Fluid Art Experience, and that is coming up mid-September. I'll put all the dates in the description box because this girl's kind of tired. I can't remember them all. The wonderful event coming up the second weekend in September, we have the retreat in Spokane, Washington, and I'm just can't wait to get my hands on you all. We only have, I think, one seat available for the beginning of the week, and then the second part of the week, darling Jeremy Massey is going to be joining me in the classroom, and I believe we only have 3 spots available there. Excuse me. Once again, all the information will be in the description box. Come on down and paint with me. Come on down and paint with us. I promise you that I will teach you everything that I've learned along my pouring journey, and I can't wait to do just that, guys. I'm about to lose my voice, so I'm going to put some tunes on. Enough talking. Let's get busy painting, guys.
Just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would believe in me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would believe in me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I know that you'd believe all just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest, tell me should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, to let go. Time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me did you know that you would be leaving me just like the